Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can track your orders on your Shopify website. You can code it on your own if you have the know-hows, but I'm going to show you how to add a tracking page with an app instead. So on your left-hand side here on the apps, just click that and then click on App and Sales Channel Settings. From here, just search Shopify App Store. And then from there, let's just search Track Orders. Now there's a variety of apps you can choose from, but most of them has paid plans, so be aware of that. There is one I recommend, which is post-ship order tracking, which is mostly free. It has a monthly 100 tracking limit, which is good enough for me. But once you're on your page here, let's just press on install. From here, you can see what the app has access to. It can view personal data, and you can also view and edit stored data as well. But let's just install this. Great. Now that it's installed, it will welcome us to post ship like this. And then you add in your personal detail here. I'm just going to let it be and then proceed. And now your tracking page is generated successfully. You can see the tracking page is like this. Order number and email address, and you can track the order right there. After that, we can just proceed, and then you can proceed with this as well. The best offer here is, of course, the $0 per month, 100 orders, free. You can also do basic or premium as well, which has more orders tracked. You can adjust the prices there. Let's just get started. But yeah, basically, this is how you add a tracking page on your Shopify website.